I have something to share with you today. It's more like a progress analysis of our daily series. If you have been watching our videos daily, you might have noticed that from 6th of this month, we have started uploading individual zodiac signs instead of compiling them all in one. By doing so, we have been able to reach and provide value to 4 times more people than we used to reach in a single compilation of all the readings. So I just wanted to share a few analytics with you today. While considering the data for both 6th and 7th of August combined, we see that the Cosmic Tarot Express series is getting an average of 450 plus views every day and roughly about 45 likes on an average per day. While that's an achievement in itself for a new channel like ours, of course it is a reason to celebrate. But at the same time, our channel analytics show that most of you who are watching our videos daily haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you like watching our content and haven't subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. It really motivates us to continue making more of such empowering and inspiring content for you. Now, before we start today's readings, like always, keep in mind that these are timeless readings. So regardless of the day or date that a particular reading might have been posted on our channel, if you feel called upon it or if you are being guided towards it, go ahead and check the message, as you might find a great message for you for the day ahead. Energies are always timeless, so do not hesitate to check any video that you come across on our channel anytime. Our Instagram handle is reflecting on your screens. If you're not all following us already, go ahead and click the link in the description and follow us right away. If you wish to watch the readings for any other zodiac sign, you will find all the links in the description below. Alright then, I'll see you in the reading. Alright, welcome Taurus. Let's jump into your energies for the day. And let's see what lies ahead for you today. What I can see here for you, Taurus, today you can trust the unknown, okay? You can trust the unknown. You're being asked to just enjoy this unknown, anything that you might feel that it's not that clear in front of you, but just you're being asked to just enjoy the journey today. Even if it might seem just unknown for you today, it might be a blessing in disguise you might not be aware of, okay? You are in a very merry kind of mindset today because you might receive goodies from your friends, your family, or anybody who would just or people who just want to shower their love on you. And I'm seeing that actually you're being guided to enjoy that, okay? If you need to think about certain options are coming in front of you, you're being offered certain options, yes, you can decide upon it. But then at the moment, you're being asked to just trust in your fate and destiny. Trust in the unknown. Yes, you are lucky to know this. So if you're not seeing the results at the moment, it's okay. As yet, you're not being able to see, it's okay. Just trust in the unknown. So let's jump into your Archangel blessing for the day. You are being asked explore your options, as the guidance was that you might not be aware of everything. So Archangel Michael wants to guide you that explore your options. So I'll read the card for you. This can be a very positive affirmation to carry throughout the day for you. Dear God, thank you for your wisdom and love, helping me see, understand, and assess all of my alternative options. Please guide me in the best direction for my health, happiness, and life's purpose. So I wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.